smashing those controls! The cargo's breaking free! Keep shooting!
We had gotten our annual pass holders preview evite and signed up immediately. You see 253, you gotta check your email. So I headed over to Hollywood Studios and I was actually able to get in earlier than my 11 o'clock appointment. But there was plenty of security there just to make sure the crowds didn't go all Area 51 on them. After checking in, I went inside and the first thing you encounter is a closed ride. That's right, it's Rise of the Resistance. A ride for the longest time that we didn't know when it was going to open. Who knows, maybe someday we'll know. What, when? Oh, okay, December 5th. Hey, that's Walt's birthday. Well, happy birthday, Walt. We miss you. Naturally, upon arriving, I was kind of hungry, so I went over to Ronto Roasters first. Then I checked my wallet. Well, let's see what they have on the menu for what I can afford. Note to self, make sure you go through the change jar before you head to the parks. So I guess we head over to Kat Saka's Kettle, where you can get a bottle of Coke, half size, for only $5.49. But Kat specializes in a really good, flavorful popcorn that you can get in this beautiful little mouse droid popcorn bucket for only $11.7 million. So instead I got a bag for $6.49. It still tasted just as good. But today's trip, well, it was all about ships, like the new Imperial Shuttle. Poe Dameron's X-Wing was there over in the Resistance Forest. It was right across from, you know, the one ship we all wanted to see, the B-Wing fighter. Apparently, we've all come to love it and want to stand in the hot, burning sun in a line to get our picture taken with it. And, of course, there was that cargo ship that they showed us in the Architect's model at the preview center. I wanted to see how well they did, and I'll let you judge for yourself, but I think they did a fantastic job. But there was another ship that I really wanted to see, the Millennium Falcon. I mean, couldn't you just see yourself coming down the ramp from the Millennium Falcon? I guess that's kind of why they put the fence around it. You know, because they could see us doing it too. The level of detailing on this ship was amazing, and it's a full-size Millennium Falcon! But truthfully, there was only one angle I wanted to see this ship from, and that was from the inside. And I knew how to do it. Because there is a ride that is open, and that's the Millennium Falcon Smuggler's Run. So, come along with me on a trip on the Millennium Falcon.
How many in our flight crew?
2.
Send you to the left.
Perfect, thank you.
We're so happy to have you with us at Outpost Transport Solutions. Have you flown with us before?
No.
Are you going to be able to walk a few steps?
Yes, a few,
toward the
yeah.
cockpit?
Yeah.
Very good. But you do need to transfer. You have to be able to transfer.
Okay.
If not, then you're more than welcome to go into the main holding area. If you're not, because you have to be able to, we can get you right up to the cockpit, but then you'll have to at least walk to, there's the pilots, the gunners, the engineers. If you can make it to the engineer.
Yep, not a problem.
So just let them know when you get to, the cast members go in and give you a credential. Just request the engineer so that you can be in the back of the cockpit.
Okay, perfect, thank you.
Oh, this is your time? Okay,
Thank you.
have a good ride.
All of these crates contain medical supplies, but they're actually full of highly explosive ion disruptors.
What is that? How could that have happened? We don't even deliver ion disruptors. They're illegal. You know that. Ship them. Well, you know, I had a bad feeling about that last group, but this, this is the group I've been waiting for. Yes. Come in. I have an opportunity for you all that is bad, dangerous. I was going to say profitable. You think I'm so heartless I would send my friends to danger? You insult my honor. I believe you have very little honor to insult.
One of the engines blew up again.
We'll talk later. I have to do everything around here. Hello, my friends. I am Hondo Onaka, and this is Onaka Transport Solutions. Today, I am offering the onboard transport this valuable merchandise across the galaxy. Pilots to navigate, engineers to operate the ship, and gunners to defend the shipments. And that is where you come. We'll get you the supplies you need. It's a win-win. You help the resistance, and I get all the profits. What? The First Order will never know we were there. Okay, time to go, so, bye-bye. We better go before he changes his mind. Move along, my friends. Listen carefully and remember, the better you work together, the more you earn. Your lives and my profit in this. Go, 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 go.
Hello, 2 engineer.
Are you able to transfer?
Yeah, short distance, yeah.
Alright, short distance. Alright, you're going to be my engineers. Thank you. You guys are going to be the orange flight crew. Head on in. Honda does have a special mission for you, so it may be a few extra minutes.
You're in the Millennium Falcon.
My flight crew with the orange credentials, you're going to step up and meet my crew member, okay? Orange credentials. Who else has orange credentials? Step up and meet my crew member.
Okay, who are my pilots?
Engineer.
Who are my pilots? You are a gunner?
Engineer.
Okay, I need my gunners. An engineer? Okay. So my pilot, if you're the right pilot, you're going to go up and down, up to go down, down to go up. If you're the left pilot, you're going to go side by side. Just gunners, you're going to shoot. Engineers, you're going to fix whatever they bring, okay? All the way on the first door on your right, please.
Okay, how far up do I go with the chair?
Head all the way in, sir.
Okay.
Yeah. Green credentials, green.
How you doing?
Good. Did you need to bring this all the way into the
As
cockpit?
close as I can get.
Yeah, of course. Hang out right on your machine. You're going to be fixing all this stuff. And then Honda has a mission for you.
Very good. A few brand new crew members and a few returning for another mission. Excellent. You will be intercepting a First Order train shipment of coaxium. Gunners, you clear the path. Pilots, line up behind the train. And engineers, you harpoon that precious cargo. Now, as you go forth, my friends, I want to remind you to be careful. Safety first. Well, profit first, but safety is a close second. I want to make sure you and the cargo get back with no mishaps. Oh dear, that sounded like a mishap. R5, what is going on? A power fluctuation in the main hangar generator. That's impossible. I had all those components checked personally. Okay, my friends. This is what we in the business call a power failure. But it is no cause for concern, as we have systems in place to deal with this sort of thing. R5, tell me we have systems in place to deal with this sort of thing. Yes, of course, the emergency power supply. Just what I was about to suggest. 2 minutes. 2 minutes? Why? What are we supposed to do until then? Stand around in the dark like a cave full of minocs? I have to tell you, this is not typical for Onaka Transport Solutions. We are professionals, held to the highest authority. This sort of thing never happens around here. Really? It happens twice a day? Just follow the crew member, my friends, and I assure you, everything else on today's mission will go perfectly.
as you can, and this will be waiting for you right outside.
All right.
Left to right.
Too late now.
I play video games, she drives.
Yeah. You want to switch?
It's too late now. I'm buckled in.
If you play video games, it's fine.
I can't see it.
I can do it. Go ahead and pull on the yellow straps for me. Make sure they're locked. Pull on the strap. I'll pull on the strap. All right, flash safe.
Flight engineers, repair test. Indoor flashing buttons. You'd better be faster or we'll be in real trouble. Right, pilot, push the flashing button to take off. Move stick to fly right and left. I was just about to say that. Pilot on the right, pull back up the stick to fly out, and push forward to fly down. Only one gunner. Good shot. Weapons are online. Left pilot, hit the boosters. Right pilot, make the jump to light speed. Those heavy guys are protecting the train. Take them out! They've locked onto us! Take evasive action! Gunners! We need to defend ourselves! Open fire! Gunners! Blast away! Blast! There it is! After that plane! Fire engineers! Fire! Shoot the top off me! Left pilot, base! My friends, that could have been much worse! Okay! It's much worse! Yes! You got one! Excellent, my friends! Power up the ship! Well now! You see, just as I promised, my friend, now that the resistance has already, maybe a little something for Hondo. Pilots, line up behind the train so we can harpoon that last car. Flight engineers, fire the harpoons and reel us in. Gunners, shoot the train. Engineers, reel us closer. Yes, keep passing those controls! Keep shooting! I thought you had it! Gunship! Oh, that's ridiculous! Things are getting too hot! Get out of there! Yes, a distraction! Fire the missiles at the train! Hurry! Destroyer is collapsing! Let's have it! Hit the boosters! Boost! We're ready! I don't believe it, but we made it! Now, let's get out! Your hyperdrive has failed! Pilots, evasive maneuvers! We've got company! Who is right? We cannot let them follow us back to the resistance! Fudo! You did it! Watch out! That's going to be great job, my friends! You retrieved one container of Covaxia. This should greatly help the resistance. You have heard the first order and made Chewie proud. Now after my modest profit, your cut. Minus what you owe me for damaging the Falcon. Yes. Oh, that is rough. Time for you to go. And don't worry, the payment is on the way. Trust me.
Alright, my flight crew, gather up all your cargo and exit right this way. I'll show you where that is.
Well, that's going to do it for this edition of As Bob Sees It. Stay tuned, because there's plenty more to come from Star Wars Galaxy's Edge Black Spire Outpost. And if you did the Millennium Falcon ride, what was your score? Let me know in the comments below. Emmy's in her own special spaceship, checking on your likes and comments. And I'd like to read your comments too. You know, I put out new videos pretty much every Friday. And if you like this video, why don't you go ahead and give it a massive thumbs up. That way, maybe Hondo will let me eat in the employees' cafeteria. And you know, we here at As Bob Sees It are all about subscriptions too. But remember, if you do subscribe, don't forget to click on that bell icon. That way you'll be notified the next time I upload a video. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.